Talk a little bit about where it lives. Genie lives, I'm assuming, in the cloud somewhere.
Genie lives in the cloud, but can also live behind your firewall. You do need a special GPU server and anything from an
So if I was running hyper-sensitive, secure application test cases, that still all works.
Absolutely. Yeah. Private cloud, you can put it in your private cloud. You can put it in behind your firewall. You need a specific type of A100 or multiple H100 server. These are widely available today. They are out there. They are not inexpensive because they're meant to do AI, but they are very powerful. And depending on the way we've written this, it's all private. Those models reside on that server, what we call the Genie server. And there's an API that automatically gets called from AIQ that sends the information there and brings it back all secure, 100% encrypted, 100% secure. We don't see it. It's not shared, and the system doesn't learn from it except for your application, right? So anything that it learns is only for use during that session with your application under test. And then after that, it's just all gone. There's no need to use it. Okay. So like the digital twin is only used for that purpose. It's not like it gets sent to us, it gets sent anywhere else. Everything's private. And this is pretty unique that you can now deploy this directly behind your firewall. But our banking customers, financial services, healthcare, pharma, insurance, that's all behind their firewall or in their private cloud. Like that's not an arguable. That's a given. And so you have to do that. They have to use private models. They have to show that they're private models. And we fully support that.